Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about making two lines perfectly in this shape. And I started thinking you could use the blend tool. Now the blend tool is going to make it a little bit more difficult, but just as good. Go to Object and convert these two items to a curve. Now these arrows need to be going in the same direction. So this arrow needs to be over here. So what we could do is just grab this one and mirror it the other way. For the blend tool to work, everything's got to be perfect. Now just take these two shapes, go up to the blend tool, which is under Effects and Blend, and blend it twice. Voila. The only difference is you got to break the blend apart, grab it all again, go up to Object and ungroup it, and then you could actually, that looks like I've grabbed both lines. Nope. Grab that line, hold down the Shift key and grab that line. So you've got two objects selected. Then just go make them, I think we made them 12 points earlier. We want the color to be black in RGB. You normally don't have to do that, but I'm using somebody else's file. And then just take these other two and make them that red hairline. And they will be exact. We'll measure them here in just a second. It would have been a little easier to measure them prior to making them thick in a way, but it could still be done. And I'll just show you that they're actually exactly right and make it a hairline in red. So now you've got the exact same thing we did on the contour tool. Let's see if we can measure this. If you remember, it was 0.87. There's 0.87. The only difference is you have to be in the center of the line for this to work. And then we'll measure from there to there. And we've still got 0.87 lines apart. So those engraved lines are in the middle. And I'm just curious, with the contour tool, we would have had to been perfect shape rectangles. Let's try it. Let's try the blend tool without perfect shape rectangles. So let's make this one rectangle not perfect. So now we got, put P, put it in the center of the page. P, put it in the center of the page. So we've got less space up here than we have here. If you use the contour tool to do this, this wouldn't really work. It's not going to contour because both shapes need to be the exact same. Let's make it a little bit even worse. Or am I making it worse by doing that? Yeah, okay, here we go. Now let's look at it with the shape tool just to make sure we're going in the right direction. Our arrow's still going up on the left and still going up on the left. Now we'll grab both these and go the two times. And it worked. It doesn't look good because this is the same space and this is the same space. So in this advantage, the blend tool is going to do shapes that aren't perfect. And if you look, that's 102 versus 57 versus 57 versus 57. So it's dividing it in thirds, but it can only do what you're asking it to do. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.